Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jay Sutherland with Trade Pulse Technologies, and we work closely with Tradier to help traders make better decisions using order flow analytics. And order flow analytics is determining who's buying, who's selling, because at the end of the day, stocks only go up for one reason: more buyers than sellers. We all know this. So our tool and platform helps you make those better trading decisions using your Tradier brokerage account. So I'm going to share my screen right now and do a little more in detail about our platform and how we help individual traders be more successful using order flow analytics at Trade Pulse Technologies. So what you're looking at right now, I just want to show you how you can use our system. And just to refresh quickly, the black line represents the price of the stock. This is Apple today. This is a live screen, actually. The black line is the price of the stock. The blue line you see here, that is the order flow from institutional large flows, from institutional orders, mutual funds, hedge funds, that kind of thing. The green bars you see here and the red bars here, that is the minute by minute retail order flow, green being positive, red being negative, positive indicating up orders to buy as opposed to orders to sell. And the purple line is that same data on the bar charts here in green and red, smoothed out over 2 days' time, giving you a little more smooth reaction in terms of orders that you're seeing. So this is Apple. And what I wanted to point out today, this is live, using our platform, you can type in any symbol you want. We'll just put in Tesla here. And pull up the order flow analytics in real time within a specific stock, in this case, Tesla. Now you can see here there's a lot of negative order flow, and frankly, the price of the stock is declining. This is how you can use this. You can type in any symbol you want to see it. Then we also have what we call our power inflows, which are signals that the order flow has changed. In other words, there's been an overwhelming result of positive order flow coming in, typically related to large institutional flows. So you're following the big money in this case. So here's an example here. AutoZone had a power inflow this morning at 10:50. And it came in here, and you can see the stock had been moving sideways, and then we started to see a climb. It actually climbed almost 50 points. Now, it is a $3,000 stock, but it did climb almost 50 points from that power inflow. And this is where using the Tradier brokerage account can come in very handy. You can trade a stock like AutoZone and maybe buy a call option that's 50 points in the money, and you turn a $3,000 stock into a $50 stock for a short-term trade. And Tradier option trading is what we focus on as well. And we have a special arrangement with Tradier, which I've mentioned before, that if you open a Tradier brokerage account with a minimum of $5,000 deposited in it, you get 6 months of Trade Pulse Technologies at no cost. So we typically charge $100 a month for our service. So that's quite a savings and a great deal for everybody. So that's the power inflows. And some other things that we do for people here is, you can see here, top flows. This is the top order flow scores. So you can see we have scores across here of all stocks in the market. Amazon leading the market today so far. You can break that down by NYSE stocks only, NASDAQ stocks only, or ETFs in this case. So it's whatever you're focused on, you can look at. It's going to give you the 30 best performers. So we got the 30 best performers on any individual stock. So Amazon is getting the best order flow analytics right now. It's up well, 1.5% or so far on the day. So you can and you can see, and when you hover over one of these positions, you can see what the chart looks like. And if you click on it, then it'll fill your screen on here. Now, this is an example here of Palantir Technologies. So they did actually get a power inflow this morning, and those only come in the first 2 hours of trading, by the way. So we looked at top flows, and then this market board tab you see here, this will give you the top flows like we looked at before, breaking it down by NYSE, NASDAQ, and ETF as well. So here you can see the price of the stock, the percentage change on the stock on the day. This is from the opening. And then the momentum is that score is the short term, minute by minute on the retail order flow. The daily is that same information smoothed out over 2 days. And the large deal flow is the institutional order flow. And these numbers, the higher they are, the better. And green represents they're positive for the day. Red indicates they're negative on the day. Another tool you can use inside of here is what we call our sector flows. So here we can see which sector today is doing has the best order flow analytics for traders. You can see it's energy in this today. So when you click on the sector itself, it then will bring up the individual sectors or securities rather in that sector. So you can look at individual stocks as opposed to, or you could trade the ETF if you wanted as well. You can see here, Devon Energy has the best score today so far. Occidental Petroleum also has a nice score and has moved up throughout the day. So this is just some of the other tools you can use inside of Trade Pulse Technologies to be successful as a short-term trader using data to help you make your decisions that you can confidently make and not just relying on innuendo or rumor. And we like to think of it as following the big money is really a great way to think about it. So once again, when you type in, and you can do this with any stock, these tools give you the ones that are performing the best at any given time. But you can type in, you just type it up here, you type in whatever stock you want to check out. Let's just check out Bitcoin today, see how that's doing. So we type in the symbol, and then we can see where we are on Bitcoin. And it actually had a power inflow, it looks like, this morning, and still moving sideways to up. And another feature you can do here, you can see this is real time. You can check the daily. This will go back for one full day on a particular stock. You can look at the weekly. It'll show you how it's doing over a week's time. So it looks like Bitcoin has not been doing as well, but it's interesting to see the institutional order flow here. The blue line has been declining throughout the week, and consequently, the price of the stock has also been declining. So keep that in mind when you're using our tool, that you have those abilities. So that's what Trade Pulse Technology does, order flow analytics, to make sure that you as a trader can see where the market's moving, why it's, who's buying, who's not buying, and help you make better informed decisions on this. So that's what I have for today. And we're Trade Pulse Technologies. It's at tradepulse.net is our website. And as I mentioned before, we have a promotional package with Tradier. For anybody that opens a Tradier brokerage account with a minimum of $5,000, you get our platform for free for 6 months. And that's normally $100 a month to use our service to get all the data we provide. And I'll tell you right now that we do have hedge funds that buy our data to use for their trading, and they use the raw data because they're managing billions of dollars, and they're paying far more than $100 a month, I can tell you that. So thanks for your time today. My name is Jay Sutherland with Trade Pulse Technologies, and I hope you're trading successful, and reach out anytime, and have a great day. Thank you.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.